Hi Queendom! Today I'm going to be showing you guys a Valentine's Day look. So first, we're going to prep the eyes. And I'm going to start with Meteorite in my crease from ColourPop. Now I'm going to blend that out with Pink from the Box of Crayons palette. Now I'm going to cut my crease with the Anastasia palette, and then I'm going to go over with my primer to make it tacky. Now I'm going to fill my lid with magenta. I'm not going to go to the outer corner because I'm going to put red in the outer corner, and then I'm going to blend out with a fluffy brush. Now I'm going to apply some brown to my outer corner just to give me some depth. Now I'm going to apply my eyeliner, and then I'm going to use my Anastasia palette to clean up my eyes, and then I'm going to blend in my foundation, and then I'm going to contour. Now, the key to contouring is knowing where your cheekbone is, okay? So you can just do that by sucking in your cheeks and tracing it. Now it's time to bake. We're going to bake ourselves into a fine cake. And so I'm going to use my setting powder and set my face. Now I'm going to take this eyeshadow shimmer called Thank You Next from the ColourPop palette, and I'm going to apply it to my lash line and my inner corner to give me some life, girl. Now I'm going to apply a light layer of this blush from the Anastasia palette, and then I'm going to apply a total package from my ColourPop palette, and then I'm going to apply Happy Camper. The total package is the pink, and then Happy Camper is the gold. I just want to give that a little shining effect. Now I'm going to line my lips, and then I'm going to apply Saturday from ColourPop. And then I'm going to put just a little dab of cocoa butter just to give myself a little shine. Now I'm going to complete the look and shake out my bangs. And that's the look, you guys. I'm so glad you guys viewed my video today. That's my Valentine's Day look. I'm going to come up with some more Valentine's Day looks and some more February looks. So be on the lookout. I'm calling this month Made of Love Month. See y'all next time. Bye-bye.